In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and export a conversation on Slack. If you want to keep a secure local backup of important chat history, project discussions, or shared files, Slack gives you two practical ways to do it. The first method is a full workspace export, which is meant for people with admin level access. The second method is a simple manual copy process for an individual direct message or private chat, which is useful if you do not have permission to export workspace data in bulk. To begin with the full workspace export, open Slack either in the desktop app or in a desktop web browser. Once your workspace is open, go to the top left corner and click the workspace name in the sidebar. This opens the main management menu. From there, look for Tools and Settings, or in some workspaces, Administration, and then choose Workspace Settings. Slack will open the admin settings page in your browser. When that page loads, look toward the upper right area for the Import Export Data option and click it. This takes you to the section used for data transfer and export tasks. Make sure you are on the Export tab before continuing. Next, choose the export date range. You may see options like the last 30 days, all time, or a custom date range. Pick the range that matches the conversation history you want to save, then click Start Export. Slack will begin preparing the export on its servers and package the data into a zip file. Depending on the size of your workspace, this may take a little time. Once the export is finished, Slack will update the page and may also send a confirmation email to your account. Go back to the export page and look for a status such as ready for download or a download link. Click it and the zip archive will be saved to your computer's downloads folder. It's a good idea to move that file into a clearly named backup folder so you can find it easily later. If you do not have admin access, you can still back up a specific conversation manually. Open the direct message or private chat you want to save from the left sidebar. Click at the beginning of the section you want to archive, then hold Shift, scroll to the end of the conversation section, and click again to highlight that range. After the messages are selected, right-click and choose Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut for copying. Then open a text editor or document app, click into a blank page, and paste the content. Your messages will appear in order, line by line, ready to save locally. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.